Welcome to the video about what's new in CluedIn 2025.01. Here you will discover features and improvements that are waiting for you in the newest release. Let's dive right in. To enhance and simplify your work with data sources, we are introducing our new Ingestion Dashboard. It is designed to make data management more efficient and user-friendly. Here you'll discover a quick and simple way to start uploading data into CluedIn from various sources: files, ingestion endpoints, databases, manual data entry projects, and crawlers. Additionally, each card displays a number, indicating the count of sources of a specific type. Next, we've added a section that displays information about all data set records currently in quarantine or requiring approval. The following section is similar, providing information about records from manual data entry projects that are pending approval. These sections allow you to quickly identify which datasets or manual data entry projects require attention, enabling you to prioritize and address issues efficiently. Finally, our new Ingestion Dashboard includes reports that display source record progress over time, both at specific hours within the last 4 hours, and on specific days within the last week. These reports provide valuable insights into your data ingestion, helping you identify trends and optimize your processes. While we're on the topic of data ingestion, let's take a look at the Sources page update. Now, you can view the number of sources per type, as well as filter the sources by type. This feature enables you to quickly find the needed source without expanding the groups. Next, we've updated the monitoring page for data sets created from ingestion endpoints. Now you can track the ingestion progress over time for a specific dataset. Additionally, we've improved the endpoint index to help you track each payload. Every time you send records to the endpoint in CluedIn, the submission receives a unique receipt ID, allowing CluedIn to identify the records in each payload. You can select the receipt ID to view the records sent in that request, or copy the receipt ID and paste it into the search field on the Preview tab. This way you can review all records sent to CluedIn in a specific request. What's more, you can now view the golden records produced from each payload. And if you decide that you no longer need those golden records, you can easily delete them. You can also find the Ingestion Anomalies page with a list of potential errors that can occur with the dataset, along with remediation steps, and the status for each error. This page provides a quick and easy way to monitor the dataset for any problems, ensuring you have complete visibility. Moving forward, we've added source record approval. It is a mechanism that allows you to ensure that only verified and accurate records are sent for processing. You can now add a pre-process rule to send all or specific source records for approval, which is particularly useful when dealing with Delta records or manual data entry records. You can track the records that require your approval in the My Tasks page. The tables here can be different from the ones in the Ingestion Dashboard because they contain data sources where you are the owner. Next, we'd like to introduce new dataset validations that can help you identify errors, inconsistencies, and missing values in your data, as well as correct any invalid records. Keep in mind that this feature is available in the edit mode for map data sets only. Validation results are displayed for each validated field as well as for the entire data set. You can manually edit the records that failed validation to improve their quality and prevent incorrect records from being added to the golden records. Next, we've added PowerFX formulas for setting up rule filters, conditions, and actions. You can use these formulas for querying, equality testing, decision-making, type conversion, and string manipulation based on the supported properties of a record. For example, you can concatenate multiple vocabulary keys and test their equality with another vocabulary key, and much more. Next, let's move on to access control, where we've added 2 new actions: mask and add or edit. Previously, you could only allow access to view specific golden records and vocabulary keys. Now, you have more granular control over the types of access to golden records and their properties. You can use the mask action to restrict access to sensitive data. This is a good choice if you want certain users or roles to know that the value exists but remains hidden. The members of the policy rule with the mask action will see the blurred value and the icon indicating that the value is masked due to the access control policy. Masked values cannot be retrieved in any way, and they cannot be edited. To grant full control over specific properties in Golden Records, use the Add or Edit action. It allows the members of the policy rule to add new properties to the Golden Record, or edit the existing properties. Next up, we'd like to introduce new search bar experience. Now you can quickly find your recent searches, your private saved searches, as well as shared saved searches. Additionally, we've improved the selection of business domains for search. Now you can view the number of Golden Records per each business domain. While we are on the topic of search, let us introduce a new vocabulary key selector. You can enter the name of a vocabulary and view all its keys. Simply select the checkboxes next to the vocabulary keys that you want to add to the search results page, and move them to the corresponding section with one click. The new selector makes the process of finding vocabulary keys easier and more efficient. Finally, we've expanded the list of audit log actions to help you track changes to rules, glossary terms, deduplication and clean projects, and other elements in CluedIn. Now, every action you take with an element is recorded in its audit log. This enhancement provides greater visibility and control, ensuring you can effectively audit and manage all activities. These are the main features and improvements we've prepared for you in the new version of CluedIn. We can't wait for you to upgrade and discover all the new features on your own.